Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what I think is the best eSIM provider when you're going to travel to Dubai, and also what is the process of activation, how does it work, and then what are some important things for you to know. So the first one that I prepared for you is Maya Mobile. In my opinion, Maya Mobile is a great eSIM provider, and here are multiple reasons. Great support, also a nice coverage, and pricing is great too, and with the link you get 10% discount in the description. So first thing I always do with the Maya Mobile is I check the coverage. So I try to find right now where I'm going to travel, let's say Dubai. And let's just locate Dubai right here. And look at this, Dubai is really well covered, so you know that you're going to get data on most of the places. So I always check where I want to travel, and I double check it with the coverage, so I don't just buy the eSIM and I'm like, okay, I can really use it. So that's the first thing. The second thing you want to check when you're going to click help, eSIM compatible phones, you want to check if your phone is actually compatible. Now, when you're going to know that, okay, Android or Windows or Apple iPhone you're going to have, so you're going to see it right here. And when you know it's good, then you can continue with the purchasing the eSIM. So here I'm going to write Dubai or United Arab Emirates, click on that. And here you can choose between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or 30 days of data. So let's say you're going to need 5 GB or even unlimited. It's up to you how many days or how much data you need. So let's say I'm going to go for 5 GB of data for 30 days, and it's going to cost me 24 USD. I would click here, activate now. And what will happen then is that you're going to get 10% discount, as I mentioned, automatically. And then you can have the starting date, how many days, the discount, in total. And then when you're gonna have this and you would purchase it, then you're gonna get a QR code to your email. And how does it work? I made even a full guide on how we can activate the QR code with Maya Mobile. And all you have to do is scan the QR code, and then you can just gonna activate the eSIM. And that's how it works. Nothing difficult, super simple. So this is the first way how we can do it. The second way is that when you would come here to Airalo, that's like also with the discount down below in the description. And I'm going to write United Arab Emirates. And here you can have option between 1 GB, 3 GB, or 5 GB of data for 30 days. And look at this, 30 days of data, 5 GB, $35. Here it's going to cost me $21.60. So you can see that, for example, Airalo is much more expensive comparing to Maya Mobile. And when I even open it here, we see that this is Etisalat coverage, and right here I don't know what is this company, Etisalat. Yep, it's probably the same coverage. Etisalat, this is what, no, this is a different network, but still probably they are working the same. I don't really know if Etisalat or this one they provide is better or worse. So I would be curious what you would tell, but what I know is that, and what I see is that with eSIM from Maya Mobile is going to be much cheaper comparing with the eSIM from Airalo. So that's about it. Now, another important thing, guys, is that all the data you can use as a hotspot. That's the first thing. The second thing is that these are data only. These are not for calling. These are not for sending SMS. For data only. So hope I helped you and gave a little bit of value. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.